just a footnote, something that's very important, and there's some people will encounter with these type of trailers. As you notice my jack placement, I have two, because basically I'm dealing with a single axle short trailer. And what these trailers have a tendency to do is that they will shift. They will shift on you. As soon as you get one jack up, your tire box will shift to the right, putting you at risk of injury or loss of life due to jack failure. Jack's doing what it's supposed to do, but again, single axle short trailer, when you're jacking them up on the roadside, they will shift on you. You gotta be extra careful. Single axle truck, single axle trailer. The factor being, again, single axle trailer. You see jack on the U-bolt as well as the axle.